guys, what's happening? I'm Puneet and welcome to Puneet Vlogs. So in this vlog today I'm going to be discussing with you guys about coronavirus or COVID-19 in the form of a PowerPoint presentation which I made for you guys. So I'm going to be discussing about COVID-19 in full detail. So come on, let's do it. Okay guys, so now I have on the PPT for you guys. So come on, let's do it. So I'm going to be discussing with you guys about the information of coronavirus or COVID-19. It is a leading problem now around the world. It has affected all the countries around the world, including my home country India. So that's why just so that if you guys are not affected of coronavirus, so I'm just going to be showing you guys about here are the things which I'm going to be discussing. So I'm going to be discussing what is coronavirus, the symptoms of COVID-19, the leading countries with most number of coronavirus cases and deaths, the precautions to be taken to avoid the virus, video on the strict rules and fines of Dubai, and maybe if you want you guys can refer to some search engines so that you can know more about coronavirus or COVID-19, and finally the conclusion. So now I'm going to be discussing what is coronavirus or COVID-19. So here it is guys, if you guys can read it by yourself. So coronavirus are a group of related viruses that can cause diseases in mammals. In humans, coronaviruses cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. Mild illnesses causes some cases of common cold, while the more lethal varieties can cause COVID-19 as we know now. There is no known vaccine for this deadly and devastating virus, although it can be prevented from affecting us by boosting our immune system. So yeah guys, now this coronavirus, it is actually it has been made from, it is said to be made from the gene fusion of a bat and a snake. So that's why it is lethal, and it has somehow acquired the ability to affect humans, including mammals also. So there are two types of COVID-19, so where it can range from mild to lethal. So mild illnesses aren't that dangerous because it only causes some cases of common cold, but more lethal varieties can cause COVID-19, which can lead to some symptoms such as difficulty in breathing, tiredness, high cough, and high fever, and dry cough. So that's why at present up to date there is no known vaccine for this deadly and devastating virus, but although it can be prevented from affecting us by boosting our immune system. So maybe maybe you guys can ask your parents, or you guys can on your own you guys can make your own immune booster drink, which might boost your immune system and can save you from this coronavirus. Okay, so these are the symptoms of coronavirus or COVID-19. So first in COVID-19, this is the the symptoms of COVID-19 or coronavirus is dry cough. The second is mild or high fever. The third symptom is extreme tiredness. The first, second, and the third symptoms all come under the mild COVID-19 cases, but this difficulty in breathing comes in only severe cases. It only comes in severe cases, as you guys can see right now. Okay, so now the next, these are the leading countries with most number of coronavirus cases and deaths. So actually this data is up till 15th of April 2020. So the number one country is the United States of America, with a number of confirmed coronavirus cases, deaths, cases as 622,412, and the number of deaths is 27,549. So it goes on next is Spain, then Italy, France, Germany, United Kingdoms, People's Republic, Iran, Turkey, and Belgium. So these are like all go in an order from the first from the leading country, which is United States of America, to the last country, not the last country, but the top 10th country, which is Belgium. So I'm not going to be showing you guys this because it's going to take a lot of time. So that's why at the last of this video I'm going to be discussing with you about the search engines which you can refer to know more about coronavirus, and you can even see the live table which updates you with every information about coronavirus. So these are the precautions to be taken to avoid coronavirus. So the first precaution to be taken to avoid coronavirus is to avoid close contact with people who are sick. Maintain at least 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. So maybe if you're in school, if you're in office, if you're in public places, please don't forget to maintain at least 3 feet distance between yourself and the person who's affected as of your concern. And so the next precaution to be taken is avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth unnecessarily. The next one is cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then dispose of the tissue safely. The next one, stay home and self-isolated when you are sick. So if you think that you have the symptoms of coronavirus, please don't venture into the public and cause the make other people also get your symptoms. So that's why stay home and stay self-isolated, so that the other people in the public are not affected by the symptoms which you face right now. So the last precaution is to clean and disinfect frequently touched objects, which means clean your surroundings, your house, your bedroom, your living room, etc., etc., and disinfect frequently touched objects such as maybe your phone or maybe your camera, your TV channel, your AC channel, air conditioner channel, etc., etc. So frequently you guys disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces using a regular household cleaning spray or wipe. Okay, so these are the precautions to be taken. So there are 5 precautions. Please follow these precautions so that you guys can be out of the coronavirus's effects. So okay, so the next slide, I'm just going to be showing you guys the video on the strict rules and fines of Dubai. So here you guys can see the video. I'm just going to play it for you guys. I'll just take this off. So I guess this thing is wait, let me just try something else. Okay, so yeah guys, now I'm going to be showing you guys a video on the strict rules and fines of Dubai. So the government of UAE has taken certain precautions, and they have imposed certain fines around the UAE, so that people don't break them. So now you guys can see the fines what the UAE ruler, the Sheikh of Dubai, is he just recognized this he made some rules and fines for Dubai, so that people follow them and they don't need to pay the fines. So I'll just play the video for you guys so that you can see the fines for these different types of rules. So let's play it. Okay. Okay, here it is. So yeah guys, that's the video. So like the Sheikh of Dubai has imposed certain rules around the UAE, so that the people around the UAE follow them, and they don't need to pay the taxes, like the fines, if they break it. If they break it, they certainly have to pay the fines. So that's why I just hope the people around UAE follow these rules and don't get into trouble under the government of UAE. Okay. So yeah guys, now I told you these are the search engines that you can refer to know more about coronavirus or COVID-19. So over there it is. First, you guys can refer to www.worldometer.info. Second, you can refer to Google search. Third, Wikipedia. Fourth, www.woo.internet. www.mohap.government.ae. Then the fifth one, www.ibo.organization. www.cdc.government. The seventh one, www.uaeembassy.organization. And the last one, www.dha.government.ae. So yeah guys, actually if you really want to refer to the know more about coronavirus, you guys can refer to www.worldometer.info, because it gives you the live count, like the live counts on the number of cases which are now availing all around the world of each country. And it also shows you guys how many people are affected on that particular day, and how many deaths occurred on that particular day because of the coronavirus. So yeah guys, the first three search engines are the best to refer to know more about coronavirus. So and the last the final six search engines, as you wish, you can refer to them if you want, or it's not that necessary. But the first three are important because they give the full details about coronavirus. So yeah guys, this is the conclusion. So if you did learn something new or enjoyed the video today, then please do subscribe to my channel. For more educational videos, comment below my channel so that I can film it and present it for you guys exclusively. Until then, please follow the safety measures and the precautions that were displayed in the video so that you can proceed safe and healthy without getting infected by this deadly and devastating virus. Please follow these until the end of the coronavirus pandemic. Until then, stay home and stay safe. And thank you so much guys.
So yeah guys, that's it for today. So if you did like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below your ideas so that I can even film it for next video. So until then, peace.